Hello guys, so this is how I made my simple turkey stew. So I fried my turkey after I've already cooked it properly with all seasonings. So I tried to fry it into a golden brown color fried turkey. And then the next is to prepare my stew. So this is cooking oil, and then my onions added to it, sauteed that for about 1 minute, 1 to 2 minutes. And then I had my blended pepper. So this pepper contains tomato, tatashe, scotch bonnet, asatarodo, and onions. So I add that to the cooking oil, put some seasonings of your preferred choice. Here I'm using Knorr chicken cubes. Then add some table salt to it, add some garlic powder, and there's some ginger powder, followed by thyme, and then curry powder. The next thing is to add my smoked paprika powder. This helps to enhance the color because I'm not adding tomato. Then the next thing is just turn everything, cover it, and allow it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Then I remember to add my turkey broth. That's the water that I got from cooking the turkey. And then after that, I add my fried turkey into this cooked pepper, and then I allow this turkey to simmer properly into the stew for about 5 to 10 minutes. So and that's it. My turkey stew is ready. Trust me, if you eat this stew, man, it's very easy to eat rice. You're gonna enjoy it. So it's just simple like that. It's not that difficult. I've seen people asking, how did they make that stew? This is just it. Simple. And then I'm combining mine with this simple white rice, and my day was made. You can try this and give me feedback on how it ended. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.